Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy, and I would like to welcome you to another video for our live trading room results. As always, I have chosen some pairs for today to check and see what happened the week that passed. I add also today DAX and oil. We don't want the people that trading this kind of stuff to be left to feel that we leave them out of the whole uh, trading results thing. And today I have DAX here. Now we on our top down approach we had already at the beginning of the week verified support and resistance levels. You can see resistance, support, of course. On indexes we use a little bit more of a higher settings, but we can see that we had a false breakout, a powerful trend line break, we had the crossovers, everything was meeting our criteria. We had a couple of more, and then we got our opportunity. You can see if I take this as an entry, APO 100 and 130, and of course price went all the way down to the support area that we were expecting a reaction of the price. And you can see this was like 380 something, yeah. So definitely win-win scenario. Incremental profits, you know the strategy in this area, and another powerful trade, 3 times our APO, easily taken. Of course, we are already long here. You can see again we had the bounce, the crossover, the 1, 2, 3, but probably this will be for the next week video. Let's go to New Zealand dollar, yen. Oil. On oil, we at the beginning of the week price was in a wedge. We saw price reaching resistance, bouncing on support, again up and down, so we were waiting for the breakout. It was on our watch list, and we got what we were waiting for, and then we had an entry with like 40. Some of you took it 50 pips already, 250. Now already win-win scenario, already 5 times our APO, and our target is still there. Long-term last position target is waiting for me, probably like 500 pips more. Let's count it. So entry APO 50 pips, last position going for 780, 800 pips, 770. Many people say, okay, are you going for 700 pips? That's too much. No, it's not. It's just a number. I mean, it has already moved 250 pips. What's the difference? 250 more or 500 more? Price is volatile. Price is moving. I'm already on my win-win scenario. Why should I get out of this trade? There is no way I lose on this trade. So stay as long as possible on a trade. CAD yen, another big wedge on higher settings. Of course, you can see well respected trend line coming from higher settings. Again, same support, easy. We said it was in our watch list to bounce trade that short. We had some false breakouts, pending orders here, here, or here to go short. So let's go over here or even here. APO would be definitely above spikes. Sorry, more or less like 20 pips. Again, the same here, 16, 20. If you're going for lower settings, check also spread. And with an APO of 20 pips, price went 100, 110. More again like 5 times my APO. Win-win scenario on this point. Incremental profits definitely stopped out if you trailed your APO on M6, and you should. And this trade was closed with a lot of pips, and now what you could do is wait for another bounce, and this time you will be going long for 100 pips. The closer to the bottleneck, the less pips in our disposal. Euro CAD. There you go. Again, another bounce. We had double bottoms. Price was really strong. We saw that happening. And again, with our classic approach, entry 40-45 pips already on 100, and we have the win-win scenario, more than 2 times our APO, but nothing is over. Our last position should be in because of this price. You never know how far or when it will stop. Never. So again, leave your last position running. It makes the difference. Now with these 5 pairs that we checked, we had 20 times our APO, 960 pips for this week. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful weekend, and see you again Monday morning on our top-down approach. Stay safe, everybody.